What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Can-Am. We got a lot of parts in. I've installed a lot of parts on the passenger side already. That way I can show everything on the driver's side. So we'll start off. We got some mirrors installed. We went ahead and swapped out the strap for this handle. We got some Kemimoto storage bags and installed the shocks for the doors, because these doors tend to, when you're getting in, they just go all over the place. They kind of close on you when you're getting in. You can see right there. Looks badass. Like I said, we did install everything on the passenger side. We're gonna install everything on the driver's side. I'll get some video of that. And we do have RPM, the blow-off valve. This is from RPM Motor Sports. We're gonna install that. Here's the other pieces for the driver's side, the handles. We got these Kemimoto bar straps that go up here on top. And then we got the other mirror, the storage bags, and it's just sitting here now. But we got the tablet holder. We're gonna go ahead and install that. I'll get video of everything installed. Right now we're working on the blow-off valve. I'm getting it hooked up. Got my brother with me helping me out. Let's see what it sounds like. We gotta get in here and take some, remove some stuff. This is just a panel that pops out, that goes in the middle. You have access to your turbo, you can see there. So we're gonna start by removing this air intake along with this one here to get access towards in here. You can see, I'll zoom in, you can see the strap right there. That's what we gotta get to. If it focuses. It says it takes about 20 minutes to install. Take this out the way, 7mm I believe. Let me get that up. Got the first one removed from here to here. I'm gonna take this one off now. Alright guys, we got it installed. You can see back in there it says RPM. That goes up. We did have to remove a few more hoses. Let me back out. We did remove this and this air intake one just to get in there. Alright, you can see it there. Blow-off valve's facing down. You got the little small hose that goes to the back. I'll show you here in a bit. And here's the other clamp that goes to your turbo. And there's the small little hose. You can see it right there. That aluminum billet bracket. Just bolt it onto there. It's a T30 to this box. Alright, start her up. See, it's just, you just come in from the inside and then you just screw it onto this. So that's it. And that bolts that onto there. And you just have to, we can move them back and forward. You just gotta see which angle you have it on. Well, that's done there. And then we'll go move on to the straps on the inside. It's got a screw right here. Take it out. It just pops right off. That. And then you do have to drill this out. You drill this out here with the, I think it's a 3/16 drill bit, and then it has the hole here on top, and then you'll have the bottom hole exposed, and then you can put your handle in. gonna use this bit to see if it cuts faster. Nope. I'm gonna get this off. Now, as you can see, this goes right in those bolts. This is a 5/16 wrench. Put it behind here. Get it started. Once it starts turning, pick this up. You do have to get rid of this. So the strap went in through here. Obviously now with this going up and down, all this is in the way. So that's how it stays. And the instructions do say to remove this little pin, this little for the bolt, like that. Let's try it out. Let's do it. There it is. Now we'll install the other set of Kamimoto storage bags on this side. Okay, so it's got these Velcro that go around the tubing, and then sit right here. And just put them like that just to get started. If you need to adjust them tighter, then just come up here, loosen them up, like that. Just pull a little bit harder on them. So that's it. It's got a nice little pocket there. It's got this for water bottles. Stick a water bottle in there. And what I did hear about these is that they're not waterproof. So I kind of screwed myself on getting these. A lot of times you do run them through water, but it is what it is. So, and it does come with another section here, which is it's a square here. It's a little knee pad. Let me grab it. So it comes with this here. So it's got the Velcro, and it's got this Velcro back here. And it's got another strap for the bottom that you can put there. But the only bad thing about this is it hits this handle. So even with the pull straps, the original pull straps, it still kind of gets in the way. But obviously the pull strap is bendable. So the good thing is that it's Velcro. We can just take it off. And I kind of prefer it that way better. So that's it for these. We'll go and install the back one real quick. And then after that, we got the straps that go on here, just how we did on the other side in the back. We got the rear handles installed. We went ahead and put them on the back side instead of up here. We ended up moving the passenger side to the back, to the front here, because it seems like it works better when you're in and out. And then the front. And then these just go here on top, and then they just Velcro up, so it's pretty easy. Now we're going to do the rear shocks. And then what it is you just take these two screws out. It's come with the bracket. You slide the bracket to the bottom. Actually, on this one, it slides to the top. Put the two screws back in. And then it comes with this little plate here. You want to match it up, this back part here. And then drill two holes. And then it has the same bolt and screws on the back. All right, we got these 13 millimeters here on the door. So if you do loosen them, the door is going to want to drop. So you want to make sure you hold on to it when you take the last bolt out. But we did figure out that we need to add an additional 2 more washers once we put this little plate in here, and it helps it here because once you tighten it, this bracket still moves. So we put 2 more washers, total of 3, and it tightens it out real good. So you can see right there how it has that play, and then you bring in this, it's right on top like that, and then the bolt, like I said, total of 3 washers. Want to just get it started. I just want to tighten it up. You want to close the door and make sure this is aligned, because if not, it's gonna be dropped. So you want to put a little bit of tension on it right there, right before it closes, and then tighten it up right there. Now, if you see that little bit of tension, because once we put the shock in, it's gonna push down a little bit on it, so it's gonna work out good. All right, these are the shocks. What I saw in other videos is that the shock part, this part is facing the door, so you just want to screw this in. This nut right here is a 1/2 inch, so you just want to tighten it up, not over tighten it, just enough to where it's a little snug. This other bracket goes onto here on this side. Tighten it up. And then if you can see here, you want to make sure the door is pretty much all the way out to where you see this strap is maxed out, and then you drill some holes. Pre-drill them. You do want to be careful, you don't want to go through, because then you will punch a hole through your plastic. You can kind of see when it's about to cut where I push a lid off. Now, just line these up. All right, now that we got our bolts, we gotta drill that out. I think now we're in business. We are in no way professionals at installing this, as you can see, but we'll get it going. Should be good. Let's try it out. You could adjust this. If you loosen it up, you could adjust it if it has some slack in it. Try it up there. There she is. Alright, we're gonna install this iPad cover. Since I don't have a windshield, I have a better position here to screw these in. These things have a They got little dimples right here where the screw goes, so you can't mess it up. And these do go at an angle. And then I pop this down. You can see right here, it's got the screw holes. One there. There. There we go. So we did have a gasket right here, but it seemed like it put a lot of pressure on it. So I just took it off. Now it works even better. So we'll try that without the gasket. Alright guys, that's it for all the installs. Mirrors. We did the handles, front and rear. We did the storage pouches, the shocks you can see there, and the handles. Everything works good. Nice. 4 shocks, 4 handles, red. 4 the storage pouches. The tablet holder, and it has a compartment on the inside. What else do we do? Oh, we have this storage. Let me grab a light. Well, we still need a, I can see it's dark. We got the storage. We went with the storage instead of the cooler. Can-Am. So we still got to bolt that in place. And I think that's it. Oh, we did do the blow-off valve, but we are having some issues. It is not blowing out. It seems like it's sucking in, but we installed it, you know, the way that it says. We've watched a couple videos. Everything's straightforward, but I don't know. I'm having the same. One of the guys at work has the same Can-Am, and he installed it, and he's having the same issue where it's not blowing out. So I'm gonna look into more into it, and then go from there. Once I do get it to blow off, then I will get some video of it. Well, that's it guys. That's a long video. I don't know how much you guys want to see actually me wrenching it, putting the bolts in. I know a lot of that sometimes is boring. A lot of people seem to like that, so let me know on this video. I actually did a lot more hands-on. My brother was helping me record. We still need to flip the shocks. It does no purpose at all, but it makes it look cooler. It's got the Fox Cannon right there, so if you put this one on this side and this one on this side, it will pop up the Fox Cannon shock here. But you do have to do some light trimming here, is what I saw in some videos. You gotta trim this plastic. It's kind of hard to see this plastic. There it is. You gotta trim that out, so that way the canister doesn't scratch and mess up the decal. But that's it guys. First mods on the Can-Am. We did quite a bit. I did order the windshield when I did get the machine. That still hasn't arrived, so stay tuned for that video on that. So all I'll probably end up doing is the windshield and flipping the shocks on a separate video. But yeah, we went ahead and did some stuff that I right away didn't like the doors where they don't stay open when you get in. So that works out badass. Look at that. Sweet. This thing does have a small little insert here. I am going to color match just to give this top part of the Can-Am some color. You can see everything on the inside is black. That's why I went ahead and threw some red in on the inside. But I'm going to go ahead and color match this blue to the mirrors just to give it a little bit of a color. There's the rear door, the shocks. I like how that red stands out on the inside. That's it guys. Like I said, let me know on this video. I did a little bit more how to. Stay tuned for the windshield and flipping the shocks. But that's it guys. Let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace.